Are you sure this was me? Are you, this was, that's what they say it was me, but I don't know, you know. My name is Roberto. I've been having a problem with my teeth all my life. When I was 14 was the first time that I went to see a dentist. I remember the smell of that dental office. I will never forget that. Through the years, I always had some kind of a problem with my teeth, with my gums. I had some root canals done. Nothing really helped. Then I decided, okay, I'm gonna remove all my teeth. And even then, when I put a denture, I had some gum infections. One day I went to see Dr. Ron's office, and that was just by accident. I didn't even know that was. I said, and everybody there was so nice, so incredible nice that I said, well, this probably is the place when I'm gonna have the implant done.
Roberto came into my office looking for a solution, and he is an Italian man with an amazing Italian restaurant, and he loves to eat. He tastes his food all the time, and he wants to be able to eat his pastas, his steaks, his burgers, and he wants to have a normal life. So, to be quite honest, Roberto's teeth weren't savable, so he needed something permanent. He wanted to wake up with teeth. He wanted to be able to eat normally and not have to think about it. I can't imagine how difficult it was for him to eat, but humans are resilient, and he made it work. But he was finally ready to make a change.
I saw some of the testimonial. I saw the people that they worked with. Everybody that was amazing, and the cleanness, the professionality when they talk to you, when they call you. There was something that said, well, maybe this is the right place.
For him, All on X was perfect. Roberto greets people all the time at his restaurant. He's smiling a lot. He's a really happy guy. And now he's finally able to smile without being worried. He's able to eat, and it just looks good.
So I was so surprised. Sometimes you buy a car and you say, okay, I'm going to drive it, and it's a good car. But then you got this Ferrari, and you say, what, this is, that's what they're talking about. And it is kind of, because, these are mine now. I don't have to remove, I don't have to soak them, leave it in the water through the night. No. The people saw me with this new smile, Yeah, they were, wow.